Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Piathlon. In today's video, we will discuss something that is very important to anyone who is interested in investing in cryptocurrencies. This information also applies to other types of markets, but since cryptocurrency markets are so unregulated, it is especially relevant to cryptocurrencies. I am making this video to address some of the things I see in the crypto space that can actually be kind of terrifying. The things we're talking about in this video can be especially devastating for new investors who do not know how to discern good information from bad information. The first thing I want to mention is that not every price prediction you see online is necessarily a bad prediction. Some are good, some are bad, and some are better than others. I am making this video to give you some things you can think about when someone makes a price prediction. Before we dive into any of the reasons that should cause you to ignore some crypto predictions, I first need to give you a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is not here to give you financial advice. I am here to show you some of the unsettling things I see in the crypto markets with regards to some of the predictions out there. So let's dive right in. The first reason why you should ignore the price prediction of a cryptocurrency is because the prediction does not explain how they came to that conclusion. If someone tells you what the price of a crypto will be next year, but they provide zero information on how they came to that conclusion, then you may want to disregard their prediction. Without a methodology supporting their prediction, they could have just made up that number and it means absolutely nothing. Sometimes someone will say a crypto is going to the moon or create some outlandish prediction for that crypto, simply because they own some and they want it to go to the moon. Now, if you watch the crypto videos on this channel, we do occasionally show you some price predictions. However, we never give our own price predictions on this channel because it is extremely difficult to predict the price of a crypto. As I state in those videos, you should take those crypto price predictions with a large grain of salt. I show you those so you can quickly gauge where other people see the price going so you can have some loose measure to gauge market sentiment. It would be unwise to invest in a cryptocurrency based solely off of someone else's price prediction, especially if they're doing some of the things we discussed in this video. You absolutely need to do your own research. You need to learn how to analyze cryptocurrencies in order to be successful investing in them. Another reason why you should ignore the price prediction of a cryptocurrency is because sometimes people are just correct because they're lucky. Someone can have a prediction that appears to be outrageous and they can just happen to be correct. Does that mean they're actually geniuses? Not so fast. They could have been correct just because of luck. You have to look at their actual methodology for how they came to that prediction and not just at their prediction itself. Outcomes do not prove methodology in one instance. If someone is consistently correct, that's one thing, but being correct one time does not prove much. And the reason why you shouldn't listen to these predictions is because they're only right due to luck. That's not a repeatable trend, so a lot of their future predictions won't come true because they just got lucky one time, and that doesn't mean you should listen to that person. The third reason why you should ignore the price prediction of a cryptocurrency is because the prediction does not have an associated timeline. If someone makes a prediction but does not tell you when they think their prediction will happen, then it's not really much of a prediction at all. If you have no time frame, then eventually, there's a good chance you might turn out to be correct. Let's say I predict some event, but I do not provide a time frame for when that event will occur. Eventually that event may just happen and I can tell everyone how right I was. It's easy to do that when you don't have to answer the question of when that event will occur. At this point, I would like to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. We have a lot of great content on our channel about cryptocurrencies, cloud computing with Amazon Web Services. We also have a lot of data visualization content and Python programming content. So we also have a lot of great content coming in the future. So make sure that you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. We also have a part 2 to this video coming soon. So make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.